Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm going to show you how I'm making my vegetable that I'll take with my pilau, just as you can see in the picture. This is a packed vegetable that I just bought from the market here. I'll first wash it with clean water, and then I set it aside on the sieve. I'll chop in my onions. I've used one big onion and one big tomato. Then I'll preheat my pan. After that, I'll add in just a little oil because it's small. It's only meant for 3 people. There you can see I have Tupperware where I store my vegetables. They're still fresh. That's how I keep them. I have a Tupperware video that you can view. At least it show you how to store your vegetables. Then I'll put in my onion in the oil. As you can see, the oil has already heated up, and then I'll stir just to help it saute a bit. It doesn't have to turn brown in color because our vegetables need to cook quickly, and we make sure that they do not turn brown. Then I'll use eggplant. In Kiswahili we call them bringanya. I'll put in first with the onions. I prefer them cooking fast because it gives it a crunchy feeling. And then I add in my courgettes and I stir. I'm using a spatula. It is plastic, but it's heat resistant. And then I use cinnamon. I love cinnamon on my vegetables because it gives it a nice taste. And then I'll use fenugreek, at least a half a teaspoon of it, and then I stir. This vegetable, you can take it with your pilau or any other rice dish, chapati, and so on. Then I'll put in my tomatoes and stir. I'll make sure that I mash the tomatoes. And then, as you can see, my vegetable also had some other vegetables that were cut in big sizes, so I had to trim them a bit and put them together with the others. This vegetable consists of French beans, there is carrots, there is also courgettes, and also there's some purple cabbage. We just get it from the market. At least a pack goes for 50 shillings. It is an easy way of making sure that you've taken your vegetables. Otherwise, you can buy these ingredients separately and cut them on your own if you wish. Then I continue stirring. You can see the color of our vegetables are so green. And then I'll stir for at least 5 to 8 minutes. They should not overcook. Now I'll have to serve it and make sure that at least I have a balanced diet. My pilau recipe, you can also get it in my videos. You can check it out on how we managed to get this delicious good food. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and also comment. Thank you.